Are you ready to create a stunning book cover in under 10 minutes without any fancy design skills? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that using Canva, your ultimate tool for fast, professional looking book covers. A great book cover isn't just decoration, it's your first impression. It can make readers stop scrolling and start reading, so having a cover that stands out is essential. First, head over to Canva's website and log in, or sign up if you don't have an account yet. The free version has everything you need to get started. Once you're in, type book cover into the search bar. You'll find thousands of ready-made templates designed for all kinds of genres: thrillers, romances, nonfiction, and more. Take a moment to browse and find a style that fits your book's vibe. When you find a template you like, click on it and select Customize. Now the fun begins. Change the text to include your book title, author name, and any other details. Canva makes it easy to tweak fonts, sizes, and colors until everything looks perfect. Next, focus on the visuals. You can use the template images, swap them for something from Canva's free library, or upload your own. Make sure your images are high resolution and match the mood of your story. And just like that, in less than 10 minutes, you've created a professional book cover that's ready to capture attention. Don't forget to save your design. You can download it as a PNG, JPG, or PDF, depending on where you plan to publish your book. Remember, your cover is more than just an image, it's the face of your story. So have fun designing and let your book shine.